Next topic is classification of solids. So solids are classified into two types. Solids are classified into two types: crystalline solids and amorphous solids. So what is mean crystalline solids? Crystalline solids means macroscopic crystals, microscopic crystals are combined to form a single solid. It is called a crystalline solid, many microscopic, similar to polymer. So polymer, large number of smaller units are combined to form a large single polymer. Similarly, many microscopic particles are combined to form a single solid. It is a definition for crystalline solid. They will not ask in the exam, define crystalline solids. For your information, I say crystalline solids. So amorphous solid means it exists in powdery form. Examples are glass, rubber. It is given in the textbook, so you may throw of any one example: glass, rubber, etc. Crystalline solids are further classified into ionic solids, molecular solids, covalent solids, metallic solids, and atomic solids. For you, only the first four only they given in your book. So crystalline solids are further classified into these 5 types. For you, only first four is a ionic solid. Mean the example. So you know familiar example NaCl. In case of molecular solid, you take any example. So naphthalene you take for molecular solid. In case of covalent solid, 10th standard you study diamond, graphite. So make only example, make the diamond. In case of metallic solid, example is copper, silver, gold, etc. Atomic solid no need to study because only these 4 topics are given in a textbook for crystalline solids. So these are the solids are classified into 2 types: crystalline and amorphous solids. Crystalline solids, many microscopic particles combined to form a single solid. There is no need to study this definition. So amorphous means exist in powdery form. Examples are glass and rubber. Further, crystalline solids are classified into ionic solid, molecular, covalent, metallic and atomic. First 4 only for you there. So last one no need to study. Then we will see in detail about ionic, molecular, covalent and metallic in later videos. Next we will see the difference between crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Before showing the difference between crystalline and amorphous, so what is meant by crystalline solid? So crystalline solid, I have already given an example. Many microscopic particles combined to form a single solid. In case of another example, crystalline solids are long range order. Crystalline solids are long range order. What is meant by this long range order? So already in the beginning I mentioned solids are arranged in orderly manner like this. Arranged in orderly manner. So long range means the repetition of these crystals, these particles over entire crystal. Repetition of particles over entire crystals are called as long range order. Repetition of particles over entire crystal. You see this repetition. Similarly, it goes up to this infinity. So this repetition of particles over entire crystal is called long range order. In case of amorphous solid, In case of amorphous solid, if crystalline is long range order, means definitely amorphous is short range order. Short range order, that the repetition of mass is not possible in amorphous solid. Reason is the particles are not arranged in orderly manner. In this amorphous solids, there is a random arrangement of particles. Due to this, they exist in short range order. So another definition I forgot. In case of crystalline solids, their potential energy is minimum. They will ask in one more question. Which one of the following? Potential energy is minimum for which solid? They will ask. So potential energy is minimum for crystalline solid. Then we will go discuss the crystalline and amorphous solid difference. The next topic.